Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can recover a deleted mail in Outlook. So for example, here I have a mail here and I'm going to delete this. So I'm going to delete this, right? Now, when you actually delete a email from Outlook, you don't necessarily delete this. It just moved into a folder called deleted items. Now, this doesn't actually delete your item. Well, it will, but it'll be deleted in 30 days. This is more of a folder called deleted items. You'll see that if I actually want to delete this item, I'll have to click on this and then I'll have to click on delete here. But if your email is still in this deleted items folder, you can click on it and then you can click restore. Right, there you go. Now your items are restored and now it's back here. Now, for example, if I delete this folder again and I delete that email and I go to deleted items, I can delete it again. So I'm going to delete this again, but that's not actually deleted. It's still here, right? Now it's doubly deleted, or it's extra deleted, I guess, if you want to say it like that. Now, if I want to restore any email where it's in this permanently deleted folder, I just click on the checkbox and same thing, restore. Now, it won't be restored to this deleted items folder, but it'll be sent back to the sent items or on the inbox, depending on what item you deleted. But that is how you recover deleted emails on Outlook. Please consider liking and subscribing.